In this short video, we're going to install AMP for WP, WordPress, obviously. This is a plugin that's going to enable accelerated mobile pages for your website. It's quite a bit more advanced than the one that Automatic produces. See my other video for a quick walkthrough of the installation on that plugin. This one is still really easy to install. There are a lot more configuration options though. So if you want more control over how your accelerated mobile pages are going to look, then this is probably the plugin for you. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go to Plugins and then Add New. If you just type in AMP, A-M-P, you're going to get a couple of different results that show up. The one that I mentioned in different videos, this one here by Automatic. Right now we're going to install this one with 60,000 active installs. The install is quick and easy, as most plugins are. We'll go ahead and activate it. It does require the Accelerated Mobile Pages plugin by Automatic because it builds features on top of that. Since that was already installed on this website, and again, just refer to the other video to quickly see that, all we have to do is activate it right now. Okay, I don't want to subscribe. Okay, so it is activated. So we come over to a page. This is an existing page. We add AMP to the end of the URL, and we can see that there's an AMP page dynamically created for that. So over here, just some interesting things. Now, instead of Appearance AMP, which is what was added by the plugin from Automatic, there's an entire menu for AMP now. Feel free to go through here and play around with some of these settings. You really don't have to set any of them. You already have the accelerated mobile pages running just by installing this, but it is nice to have the ability to do some of these things. So you can set some customizations for the home page. There's a page builder, some different design stuff, social sharing icons, search engine optimization, etc. Something else that's interesting is we will go to a post. Let's go to this post that we're actually going to link to right here. And what you'll notice down at the bottom of your posts now with this second plugin installed, there's going to be a special area for AMP. There's a custom AMP editor. So if we don't want the default AMP, which you can see a sample of right here, we can actually say use custom AMP, and then we can create an entire page. We can paste some content in there, we can make some changes, we can make it very basic, we can make it very complex, we can make it a little bit more visually appealing if we want to. This gives a lot of control over how our accelerated mobile pages look. You can make these changes individually for any post or page on your WordPress website. It's nice to have this feature even if you don't use it very often. You can use it for a couple of individual pages and leave the rest of them default, or however you want to handle it. Again, it's just nice to have that feature. So I like having this plugin installed on my websites just in case something formatting wise doesn't look great because of a different plugin, that there's a conflict or whatever. I just like to have that control to be able to make those changes, and I think you will also. So there you go, quick and easy to install, and it's a great benefit. It's something you definitely want to have set up for your website.